Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here for a Cruisin' with Corey quickie here. Of course, if you are new to the channel, my name is Corey. I live in the gig economy. I am a dad who can't work a regular job due to the logistics of balancing my family life. So doing these gig apps is how I make my money, and I take you along for the ride, give you my tips, tricks, and sometimes we go on little travel adventures as well. But today we are going to talk about something I do every week that pays me about $20 to do absolutely nothing. Now this is called Dovetail. It's a website that I have somehow come across that by submitting your earnings page on a weekly basis on up to 3 platforms, DoorDash, Uber, and Lyft, for each one of those entries that you submit, your earnings, they will pay you $10. So that's up to $30 a week that they will pay you. And from what I read, if you do all of them, they will actually give you a bonus $10 at the end of the month. So you could actually make $130 a month maximum if you 100% clean sweep it. I will give it, as a disclaimer, it is a first come, first served basis. So you do want to make sure that you submit your earnings as early in the week as possible. Basically, what happens is once the week closes on Sunday night, Monday morning, they become open for submission because that's the start of the next week. So you want to submit your earnings as early in the week as possible to the website. They will approve it, and by Friday, they will pay you the amount of money you deserve via PayPal or Venmo, your own personal choice. I'll quickly just show you what it is that they are looking for, so that way you know what to submit for your earnings. And again, the link I have in the description. It is a referral link, so I get some money and you get a bonus $10 the first time that you submit using my referral link. So a good way to get started, but I'll show you what it is they're looking for on Uber and on DoorDash because I don't have Lyft. So, but I'll show you right now. For DoorDash, we'll open up the DoorDash app here. As you can tell, this is why I'm doing this, because it's too dead, so I can't actually film a video right now. But we're going to go to our earnings tab. And this is what I've made this week. It's only been a couple days, but I'm gonna click on last week where I made $100. And the only thing is you're just gonna wanna hit this drop down arrow and it'll show you the breakdown because that's what they're looking for. And you would just screenshot this page and that's it. For DoorDash anyways. Now for Uber, of course Uber's interface is a little weird. So you're gonna hit the home button, go to earnings, you're going to go to see details. You're going to go to your last week, which in my instance, it's $73 right here. And this is it. You're going to screenshot this page and that's it. Dovetail, I'm going to log in real quick. I'm already actually logged in. So you can see right here, they've already approved my earnings for this week. I'm recording this on a Wednesday, so I know that on Friday I'll get $20. And you can see I have been doing this since early June, and I've not had an issue with it. If I was to submit right now, which I don't have anything to, you can see right on the top, as I said, it's first come, first serve, so they've already hit their maximum for Lyft. But DoorDash and Uber, you would just hit Uber, what kind of phone you have, and you would just select the date range. I'll do this. Of course, I can't actually do it because I've already done it. As I screw it up here live, because I'm trying to do this in one take if I can. Blue, see, it's actually not going to let me do it because I've already done it. But it's very short, it's very straightforward, and it will show you a screenshot, a demo screenshot of what it's looking for. But yeah, you'll get paid your $10 on Friday. It'll come through as an individual payment, 10 for this, 10 for that. Now, I know some of you are going to bring up concerns of, well, Corey, you're selling your data. Isn't that a bad thing, selling your data? Isn't that going to have a runaround negative effect on us because the companies are knowing what we're making? If they think we're making enough tips, they'll lower the base pay. I'm not going to discredit any of that. you know, selling your data is something some people aren't going to be comfortable with. My logic to it is that here in the gig economy, us who do this, we're all thinking short term. There are some of us out here in this gig economy, in this gig plex that we live in, that are planning to do this for the long haul. But a lot of us are here for the short term. If in 3 to 5 years this has a negative effect on the gig economy, you know, that's unfortunate. Me personally, I don't think I'm going to be doing this in 3 to 5 years, so I'm not really worried about the long-term effect. If you are, and this is hurting you, I'm sorry, but in this world that we live in where there's slowdowns, again, I am trying to be dashing now, sparking, but it's dead. I have to hustle and make the money wherever it is, so this is a good short-term fill-in for that. Again, dovetail.ai, use my link in the description. You'll get 10 bucks. I'll get a little bit of a kickback as well, helps us all out, and then you can make that extra money on a weekly basis, whether that's lunch, whether that's gas, whether that helps you with a bill. For me, I put it in a savings account, so bare minimum, I know I can save $80 a month in kind of a little side fund. So that's what I do. Other little notes here on the channel. I did create a channel email address, cruisinwithcorey94@gmail.com. If you want to get in touch with me for any reason, whether it's to say hi, whether it's a question, whether it's a collab, whatever it is, you can get in touch with me there. As we all know, the road to monetization is very difficult. I'm close to 500 subscribers, which means I'm a little bit getting closer to being able to do memberships and super chats and stuff, but I won't have the watch hours. You still need 3,000. So if for any reason you feel inclined to help me out here on the channel, I have a buy me a coffee link. No pressure. I don't expect anything. It's just there because why not? I just put it there, but I'm not offended either way. And my first live, please stay tuned. It's probably going to be on a Thursday night. At the time of this recording, I'm thinking it's going to be on Thursday the 18th, but if anything changes, I will let you know. But I am planning my first Cruisin with Corey live. It'll probably be a half hour at night just to talk about some things, have the first little meetup. I'm not going to do a live dash for that because I don't have a second phone and I would need that. But again, sign up for that Dovetail. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. If you have any conversation on your feelings on what I talked about with selling data and all that stuff, again, put it in the comments. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it. And let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin with Corey. Corey out.